Hello? Hello everybody, this is Jensen from Ion Zhenxin Ferro Company. We are the ferro supplier. We produce a variety of ferroalloys, and today I will have a brief introduction of our products. Our products, there are several series, like the silicon series, the magnets series, the chrome series, and the calcium series. And our top products is our nitrate products. For example, like the nitrate phytochrome. This is our top products. And the ferrochrome nitrate is also called ferrochrome nitrate or nitrate ferrochrome. It's a ferroalloy material mainly composed of nitrates such as chrome nitrate and croton and ferrofuran. It's also possible to generate compound nitrates of ferrochrome. The main factors affecting its paste composition are nitrating medium and nitrating temperature. The main use of ferrochrome nitrate is to produce corrosion resistant and other special nitrogen containing steel. Feature of the ferrochrome nitrate: stable neogen content, high density, high alloy absorption rate, melting point about 700 degrees. Ferrochrome nitrate can partially replace nickel elements and reduce the production cost. And another our nitrate products is the ferrosilicon nitrate. As all you know, the ferrosilicon is the most popular ferroalloy. Is most widely used in the world. And the nitrate ferrosilicon is the ferroalloy material mainly composed of silicon 3 nitrate 4, accompanied by free aero non-silicon nitrate and a small number of other components. Conventional ferrosilicon nitrate for refractory is done off-white or brown powder, while steelmaking ferrosilicon nitrate is off-white granularly. Powdered ferrosilicon nitrate is mainly used in the taper of large blast furnaces, and a small amount is used in aero-runner materials or other unshaped refractory materials. Granular ferrosilicon nitrate is mainly used in silicon oxide steel or other steels that use nitrates to improve strength. Difference between ferrosilicon nitrate and silicon nitrate. The uses of silicon nitrate and silicon nitrate are very similar, but their main compounds are different. Ferrosilicon nitrate is accompanied by free air, but silicon nitrate contains very little air. The price of ferrosilicon nitrate is about half of that silicon nitrate, and the performance of the two is nearly the same. The main application of ferrosilicon nitrate: unshaped refractory materials, non-forming tape house modes, air-runner materials, nitrogen increasing agents. By mixing which vanadium nitrate, ferrosilicon nitrate, ferronibir, ferrochrome, and so on to replace vanadium nickel alloy, reduce the cost of a nearcon increasing agent. And one of our other nitrate products is the nitrate phyllomagnets. As you all know, due to the magnets or market today, this year's magnet series products price is not stable. It changes almost every week, even every day, and totally is increasing. The nitrate phyllomagnet is produced by feeding medium and low carbon phyllomagnet with nickel is mainly used as a additive and manganese additive as a protection of high hardness alloy steel and stainless steel, which are used as raw materials of the automobile, shipbuilding, and aviation industry. The features of the nitrate phyllomagnets: high nitrogen utilization, high content of nitrogen and manganese, low content of impurities such as sulfur, phosphorus, and so on. And the different forms of nitrate phyllomagnets: nitrate manganese powder, briquettes, and cold wire. And the phyllomagnate nitrate is an essential alloy agent in the production of special alloy steel, stainless steel, and heat-resistant steel. Nitrate phyllomagnetes can improve the hardness and the other mechanical properties, refine the grain, and expand the austenite zone. Nitrate phyllomagnetes can replace nickel, which reduces the cost of steel production. These are two proprietary methods of nitrate phyllomagnetes: liquid phase nitrating and solid phase nitrating. And now I will introduce some of our other products, the calcium series. There are mainly two kinds of calcium phylloalloy. One is the calcium silicon and the other is the calcium metal. The calcium silicon is also called calcium silicon alloy or phyllo-silicon calcium. Its composed alloy mainly composed of silicon and calcium as a phylloalloy. It also contains different impurities such as iron, aluminium, carbon, sulfur, and phyllosulfures. It has the form of lump or powder. Calcium and silicon have a strong affinity with oxygen, especially calcium metal has a strong affinity with oxygen and has a strong affinity with sulfur and nitrogen. Therefore, calcium silicon is an ideal composite dielectrizer and disulfurizer. Silicon alloys have a strong dielectric ability, which helps the products easily float and discharge, but can also improve steel's performance in the plastics, impact toughness, and fluidity, ductility. At present, calcium silicon alloy can replace aluminium for final dielectrification. Is used in the production of steels with different grades and special alloys. It can also be used as an inoculant and additive in the cast iron industry. Compound dielectrizer and disulfurizer heating agent used in conventional steelmaking workshop. It can be used as an inoculant for cast iron as an additive to produce ductile iron. And another calcium sales product is the calcium metal. Calcium is a chemical element with a sample of Ca and an atomic number of 20. As an earth metal, calcium is very active and will form a black coating of nitrate and oxide when exposed to the air. Calcium metal or metallic calcium is a silver white metal. It is mainly used as a dioxazine, decarburizing, and defurizing agent in alloy steel and special steel production. It's also used as a reducing agent in high purity rare earth metal processes. We offer by 19.8.5% calcium metal as lab granule powder, and other specifications is also available. Please, if you have any interest, please contact us and tell me the detailed specifications, the size, the quantity you want, and we will try our best to satisfy your your need. As a leading supplier of alloy materials, our supplyability of calcium metal is up to 3,000 tons per month. The following and is also available to be produced as a cold wires, and I will introduce that later. Now I will introduce our alloy cored wire. The cored wire is also called alloy cored wire. It is to crush various additives, dioxide, phosphorus, multiple alloy, and so on. They need to be added into the molten steel and the molten iron into certain particle sizes, and then rub them with cold-rolled low-carbon steel strips to make composite long wires of various diameters. It's often packaged in a steel cage in the form of horizontal packaging. The hot-selling alloy cored wire products produced by Zhenxing mainly include pure calcium cored wire, calcium silicon wire, and iron calcium wire, and so on. But in fact, it's not only about these three kinds. Normally, I think all kinds of alloys can be produced as a cored wire. Just tell me the specifications you want, no matter the ferrosilicon, the calcium silicon, the ferrochrome, the ferromagnets. All of them are available to be produced as a cored wire. And about the use of the alloy cored wire, with the continuous development of the steelmaking industry, the output of high-quality alloy steel and various steel has increased substantially. The continuous casting ratio has gradually increased, and the continuous improvement of the refining technology outside the furnace has promoted the successful development of alloy cored wire technology. Judging from the production date for many years, the method of feeding the alloy cored wire into the molten steel through the wire feeding equipment has greater advantages than the method of powder spraying and directly adding in the alloy block. The alloy cored wire technology is an advanced method of refining outside the furnace, which is suitable for steelmaking and foundry industries. The use of alloy cored wire can move effectively and smelting materials to molten steel or molten iron in the steel making or casting process, and alloy core wire can be inserted into the ideal position through professional wire feeding equipment. When the skin of the alloy cored wire is melted, the alloy core can be fully dissolved in the ideal position and the chemical reactions can occur. This method can effectively avoid unnecessary reactions between the alloy, iron and slag, thereby increasing the evaporation rate of smelting materials. Alloy cored wires are widely used as deoxidizers, desulfurizers, and alloy additives in steelmaking and casting processes, which can change the shape of molten steel in inclusions and effectively improve the quality of steelmaking casting products. As an experienced alloy cold wire manufacturer, the cold wire products produced by the Zhengxin factory conform to industrial standards and have the ability to produce different specifications and varieties of cored wires, which can meet various technical requirements of customers. Our non-alloy cored wire products, including pure calcium cored wire, calcium silicon cored wire, aero calcium cored wire, and some others, anyone you need. As I said just now, in a word, all kinds of ferroalloy can be produced in alloy cored wire. It can be customed, and I'm very proud and we are very confident to produce all kinds of ferroalloy cored wire for you. So don't hesitate to contact us for any information. The advantages of our cold wire. Our wire has the advantages of uniform powder feeding, regular assemble size, and lower breakage rate. Then our wire is firmly wrapped and sealed, without powder leakage, floating vitro package, empty package, and the surface of the wire is smooth, and the white deviation of the powder core is generally 5 grams per meter. The alloy cored wire is divided into two types: internal drawing type and external release type. The mechanical equipment required for feeding the wire is simple and reliable, and it occupies a small area. In particular, the internal drawing coil wire is more suitable for use in narrow venues. The use of alloy cored wire can play the role of pull molten steel and particularly change the nature and the shape of inclusions. This can improve the quality of molten steel and improve the casting state. Zhengxin alloy cored wire is beneficial to adjust and control the content of easily oxidizable elements and trace elements, greatly increase the alloy yield, reduce the smelting costs, that accurately control the composition. And now I will introduce the most popular field alloy, the biggest usage in the world, the ferrosilicon. It's very widely used in steelmaking and cast iron. Ferrosilicon from our company is a ferrosilicon alloy composed of silicon and ferro in a certain proportion and is mainly used for steel smelting and metal maximum smelting. The appearance of ferrosilicon is metallic black color without powder and slag. Chemical compositions. In addition to silicon and ferrosilicon also includes manganese, chrome, carbon, and so on. The melting point is over 1000 degree, and the 17.5 phyllosilicon's melt point is over 1300 degree. The density of phyllosilicon depends on the content of silicon in phyllosilicon, and its density decreases with the increase of silicon content in phyllosilicon alloy. The density of 705 phyllosilicon is 1,217 kilogram cubic meter. Application of the phyllosilicon is to be used as dielectric and reducing agent. The high silicon phyllosilicon or silicon alloys can be used as reducing agent for the production of low-carbon alloys in the phylloalloy industrial. Alloy agents. Phyllosilicon can be used as an alloy agent for low alloy structural steel, composite steel, spring steel, bearing steel, heat-resistant steel, and the electric silicon steel smelting to produce single crystal silicon and or to prepare non-ferrous metal alloys. Inoculant. Inoculant. Adding phyllosilicon to cast iron can be used as an inoculant for nodular cast iron to provide the formation of cabinets and promote precipitation and spacing of grips, thereby improving the properties of cast iron coating. Phyllosilicon powder can be used as a substitution paste in the manufacturing industry and can be used as a coating for welding rods in the welding rod manufacturing industry. The production of phyllosilicon alloy is made by using coke, steel, silicon, or quartz as the raw materials, heating to the high temperature of over 15 to 1800 degrees in an electric furnace, reducing silicon from silicon containing silicon oxygen to and dissolving it in molten air. Among them, metallurgical coke is commonly used as an reducing agent, and alloy fillings are used as a regulator of phyllosilicon. And now I will introduce another kind of our important products, the phylochrome. There are different kinds of phylochrome, like the high carbon phylochrome, the medium carbon, the low carbon, and the micro carbon. And the low carbon one and the micro carbon one are our best products. We have advantages in both these specifications. The phyllosilicon is an alloy whose main components are chrome and iron, and the chrome content is between 15% to 17%, in addition to the main components of chrome and iron. It also contains impurities such as compound silicon, sulfide, and phyllosphates. Phylochrome is often used as an important alloy additive in steel smelting and foundry industries. According to the different compound contents in phylochrome, phylochrome can be divided into four types. High carbon phylochrome. The carbon content reaches over 4 to 8%. The medium carbon phylochrome carbon content is between 0.5 to 4%. Low carbon phylochrome carbon content is between 0.15 to 0.5%. Micro copper phyllochrome. The copper content range is below 0 to 15%. Phyllochrome with different copper content is so suitable for different applications scenarios. Phyllochrome containing about 5 component content can be used in steel making. Phyllochrome can be used as a chrome additive for the alloy of steel, and the common content with more than 4% is often used to make ball bearing steel and steel for auto parts. And the phyllosilicon, the phyllochrome with combo below 2% is suitable for making stainless steel, accent steel, and various other low-combo chrome steels. There are many kinds of phyllochrome products. The phyllochrome product produced by Zhenxing can meet the current market demand. The chrome percent from 15,500 15.5 to 17.5%, and the combo we can produce as low as 0 to 15%. The quality of our phyllochrome is strictly controlled. The company has a strict product quality management system to ensure that the quality of the phyllochrome alloy delivered from the factory meets national standards and meets customers' needs. The company's products have passed ISO 9001 certification, and the product quality is guaranteed. And the most important, we produce this a lot to many countries. So with the big quantity, our quality of phyllochrome is reliable, and so is our nitrate phyllochrome. This is our top products: the low carbon phyllochrome, the microcarbon phyllochrome, and the nitrate phyllochrome. All these three specifications are our top products. Our quality and productive and the price are all competitive, and the high cost performance. And our direct factory supplier. So we certainly have advantage on price. Your order will be shipped directly from our factory. Then you can avoid to pay extra costs. We are not cater for the phyllochrome. And our service is efficient and professional. We have accumulated rich experience in alloy smelting industry and can provide you with the most professional and effective product solutions. Help you quickly find the products that suits you. Avoid detours. Is the application of the phyllochrome. First one for the high carbon phyllochrome. High carbon phyllochrome is usually used as an alloy agent for ball steel, tool steel, die steel, and high-speed steel, and can harden steel, increase the wear resistance and hardness of steel. High carbon phyllochrome is used in the casting industry. It can improve the heat resistance and the hardness of the cast iron. High carbon phyllochrome is used in the production of silicon chrome, medium and low carbon phyllochrome. High carbon phyllochrome powder is used in the production of welding rods. Medium and low carbon phyllochrome is used in the production of medium and low carbon structural steel, double ring steel, gears, high pressure below plates, valve plates, and so on. The metal-coupled phenochrome is mainly used to produce stainless steel, wear-resistant steel, and heat-resistant steel. The main factors affecting the phenochrome price is a very important alloy raw material for industries such as stainless steel, steel cast iron, and so on. And the phenochrome price has always been of a great concern to practitioners in these industries. What are the main factors that affect the phenochrome price? Let's start with the production process of phenochrome. Ferrochrome is produced by arc carbonyl reduction of chromate. The chrome ore is reduced by coal and coke to form an aerochrome alloy. The heat of the reduction reaction mainly comes from the arc formed between the tip of the electrode and the bottom of the furnace and the furnace. The environment in which ferrochrome is generated needs to be heated to at least 20 to 2800 degrees. In the smelting processes of ferrochrome alloys, power consumption is huge. The lower the carbon content of ferrochrome, the more difficult it is to refining. The higher the power consumption, the higher the cost. Therefore, the cost of electricity has become the main factor affecting the ferrochrome price. Because of the low power cost and the labor costs in our region, our price of ferrochrome is competitive in the international market. Welcome customers from all over the world to visit our factory. And now I want to introduce some other important products. The first one should be the ferromagnets. As we all know, the magnets company starting 2032 company in Australia. Its equipment is broken due to the climate, and it said it will be fully repaired in the first season of next year. So the magnets ore market faces a lack of about 10% magnets ore. So recently, the magnet series products is increasing and not stable. If you have interest, please tell me and we will update the latest price for you. And now I will introduce the ferromagnets for you. It's a ferroalloy composed of ferro and magnets. The magnet element's density is 7.143 gram cubic meter. Melting point is 1215 degrees. The boiling point is 2115 degrees. Ferromagnets is widely used in steelmaking as a distillator and an alloy agent. Magnets react readily with oxygen to form stable magnesium oxide. There are three types of ferromagnets: high carbon ferromagnets, medium carbon ferromagnets, and low carbon ferromagnets. The high carbon ferromagnets its carbon is over 7%, and the medium carbon ferromagnets its carbon is always 1 to 2%, and the low carbon ferromagnets its carbon is always below 100%. There are so many kinds of ferromagnets. The ferromagnet used in the steel industry is used as a dexter and diffuser in steelmaking. High-quality steel is dexter and disulfurist in smelting, adding a suitable amount of ferromagnets to the molten steel can reduce the harmful elements and improve the quality of the steel. In the steel industry, the consumption of ferromagnets is about 3 to 5 kilograms to produce 1 ton steel. Ferromagnets used in the foundry industry is used as a nucleating agent and a nodulating agent for nuclear cast iron. It isolates the graphite perception, shortens the nodulating time, reduces the impurity in the molten steel, improves the quality of cast iron, reduces the blockage of smelting furnace nozzle, and effectively prolongs the service life of the smelting furnace. Ferromagnets used in other industries. High-carbon ferromagnets is used as a reducing agent in low-carbon ferroalloys production. High-carbon ferromagnet powder can also be used in welding materials and mineral separation. High-magnets ferromagnets can be used in the electrical industry to produce the semiconductor magnets and can be used in the chemical industry to produce magnets keystone. And now I want to introduce some other magnet products like the electrolytic magnet metal. Electrolytic magnet is pure magnet metal. Its main ingredient is magnets. The magnet content is over 99%. The impurities are carbon, silicon, sulfur, and so on. The magnet metal is widely used as dextrizing agent, disulfurizing agent, and alloying agent in the steel industry. There are four forms of magnet metal: the magnet metal flakes, magnet metal lamps, the briquette, and the powder. We also supply nitrate magnet metal. Magnet metal flakes are also known as electrolytic magnet metal flakes. Its main production process is electrolysis. Junction Ferroalloy is the leading manufacturer of electrolytic magnet flakes. And about the size, we can produce it in the size you want as your demand. And we produce better custom service, the high priority, the quality control, the production capacity, the reliable service, the production cost control. That's all our advantage. Due to its high purity, the electrolytic magnet metal is widely used in the steel industry, the metallurgical industry, the electronic industry, the chemical industry, and the aerospace industry. In steelmaking production, electrolytic magnets is particularly suitable for smelting stainless steel, heat-resistant steel, first steel, high temperature steel, corrosion-resistant steel. Electric magnets is used as a metrologic additive, which can improve the strength, toughness, wear resistance, the corrosion resistance of alloys. It's widely used in the magnets copper alloy and magnets alloy aluminum alloy. Electrolytic magnesium metal powder is used as the raw material for the production of is widely used in the electric industry. It's also used in the production of welding rods. And now let's go to next product, the silicon magnets. The silicon magnets is also known as silicon manganese alloy. It is massive and has a silver luster. It is a composite that feather often used in steelmaking. It's also a reducing agent used in the production of low-carbon ferromagnets and electrical silicosmal production of metal magnets. When steel is added to magnets alloy, it can be better reduced, and it can also enhance the toughness, hardness, strength, and elasticity of steel. Silicon is also an effective graphite medium which can turn the compound in cast iron into magnets, and the silicon elements are added to the molten steel in the form of ferromagnets, silicon magnets, and ferrosilicon. The raw material composition of silicon magnets. The silicon magnets alloy can be smelted in continuous operation in large, medium, and small submerged arc furnaces. At present, the silicon magnets alloy electric furnaces of major silicon magnets. The manufacturers are developing in the direction of large scale and fully enclosed. In order to ensure the qualification rate of silicon magnets products, a ratio of ferromagnets and magnets ferrophores in the array needs to meet the certain requirements. The higher the magnets content of the magnets arrays used, the better the performance of all indicators. We are a professional company specializing in the production of ferroalloy charge and metallurgical refractory products. We are committed to research and develop of ferroalloy deep processing in products and refractory batteries, and contribute the energy saving and consumption reducing induction of the iron and the steel metallurgical industry. Zhenxin is a high-quality silicon magnets manufacturer in China. The company's main products include silicon metal, silicon magnets, ferrosilicon, silicon magnets, and silicon carbide, and so on. And we are located in the Taihang Mountains in the central and eastern China, with a supreme geographical location and rich mineral resources. The silicon manganese press has an absolute advantage among its peers. Our product quality is guaranteed. The company's supplies silicon series, manganese series, chrome series, multi-element alloy, and so on, and has major submerged arc furnaces, refining furnaces, and other equipment. Our products have passed ISO 9001 certification and are equipped with professional testing equipment to ensure that the factory products meet relevant testing standards. Factory direct supply. Our alloy products are directly supplied by the manufacturer and the quality is guaranteed. By silicon magnets also and other products directly from us. There will be no agents, wholesalers, and other middlemen, so the silicon magnet price is more favorable. And now I'm going to introduce another product, the silicon carbide. The silicon carbide, also known as amine of refractory sand, has a chemical formula of SiC and is very widely used in organic substance. There are two types of silicon carbide obfuscated by industrial production, namely black silicon carbide and green silicon carbide. The black silicon carbide is produced by the reaction of cold sands and the coke powder is a high temperature environment. Its Mohs hardness is between 9.9.2 to 9.5 and its micro hardness is higher. Material characteristics. The content of SiC is in black silicon carbide is more than 95% and its strength and toughness are greater than that of green silicon carbide, and its hardness is lower. Most of it is used to process materials with low tensile strength, such as ground cast iron, non-metallic materials, glass, ceramics, and stone, refractory materials, and non-ferrous metals. Material advantages. The hardness of black silicon carbide is between corundum and diamond. It has high magical strength, stable chemical properties, high thermal conductivity, low thermal expansion coefficient, good wear resistance, and certain electrical and thermal conductivity. And green silicon carbide is a non-metallic mineral produced by the action of coal sand, petroleum coke, and the sodium chloride under high temperature conditions about 2000 and 2000 degrees. The form of green silicon carbide is a green translucent crystal. Material characteristics. The mechanical hardness of green silicon carbide is between and it is mainly used in grading hard golden containing tools. Green silicon carbide can be used for consolidation and coating abrasive tools, free grading the polishing at the solar. It is suitable for processing casting iron, ceramic carbide, titanium alloy, high-speed steel, and so on. Material advantages. Green silicon carbide has the characteristics of high purity, high hardness, small expansion coefficient, brittleness, and good thermal conductivity. Since the content of silicon carbide in nature is very small, the silicon carbide block is most industrially manufactured. The production of silicon carbide blocks uses quartz and pearl coke as raw materials, and the raw materials are ground into a suitable particle size through processes such as grading. After grading the raw materials according to a certain ratio, they are put into an electric furnace for high temperature heating to make a silicon carbide block. In order to adjust the gas permeability of the charge, it is necessary to add an appropriate amount of wood chips during the smelting process, and an appropriate amount of salt is also required to prepare ground silicon carbide. The silicon carbide production equipment uses a dedicated silicon carbide electric furnace. The power of the electric furnace is turned on the silicon carbide production is started. When the center of the furnace temperature reaches about 2500 to 2700 degree and the charge temperature reached 1400 and 1500 degree. The raw materials reached to produce silicon carbide and reaches CQ. When the charge temperature is more than 2600 degree, the already produced SiC will be partially deposed and the decomposed silicon will form SiC with the C in the charge. As a professional alloy manufacturer, the silicon carbide for steelmaking produced by Zhenxin is mainly used as a dioxidizer for steel production. It has the effects of increasing silicon. Increasing cable and dioxidizer has a high specific gravity. It is easier to enter the inside of molten steel, and the material in itself has the advantages of low dust, low Phillips, and low sulfur. Since the factory is located in gathering place for raw materials and the price of silicon carbide has an absolute competitive advantage, Zhenxin silicon carbide products are favored by major steel companies. It has a high quality silicon carbide production technology and technical equipment with a large annual output. It can produce a variety of silicon carbide blocks, the silicon carbide micropowder, the silicon carbide ultra-fine powder that meet various standards such as our GB, the FEPA, and the GIS. Our products are exported to the United States, Japan, and other countries and regions. In addition, the company can also produce various specifications of silicon metal, high-carbon silicon, silicon precute, and other alloy products according to user needs. Welcome to consult product information to visit our factory. And thanks for your time. It's time to say goodbye. Thanks for your time and thanks for your watching. Goodbye.